welcome to your English doctor. You were thinking that why I am introducing to you because I have take over his channel. Today I am going to introduce to him in his channel. So he is Mr. Praveen Verma, your English doctor.
Thank you for this.
Welcome, you are always welcome. And I am his student Khushi. So today we are going to conversate about the plastic bags use, and he's going to become a vegetable vendor and I'm going to become a customer. He's going to give me some vegetables in a plastic polythene, and after that I'm going to tell him not to use these plastic polythenes. So let's get started.
Yeah, this is very good topic, guys. That in this topic you can understand that if this is the conversation classes, and that we are going to understand everything very well. And she is Kushirati. She is speaking with me. From the 2 years, 3 years, she is my student, and today she got a topic. Sir, I want to talk with you in this topic, and so I congratulated to her first because she described the channel. So this is a warm welcome to you in this channel. She's speaking first. It is the first
First
topic
video
that
with
the first
him.
video that we are going to do with her. So welcome you on this channel.
Thank you, and
Okay,
thank you to our all viewers.
okay, start your the communications.
So you just became the vendor and I'm gonna become the customer.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. So how much for this vegetable? How much for this tomato, uncle?
80 rupees.
It's very much. Don't you give me a discount?
Yeah, I will give you definitely if you will buy 2 kg. I will give you the discount for 20 rupees.
Okay, so give me 2 kg.
Sir, yeah, take you can take.
But
And
I'm having a 500 rupee note. I'm not having the changes.
don't
Can
try.
you?
Yeah, don't try to be upset that I will give you change. So I have lot of change in my pockets. I will give you. Don't worry about
But
that.
uncle, why you are giving me vegetable in such a plastic polythene? It's not. It's wrong. It's harmful to our earth. It's
You can tell me what is the disadvantage of the policy that we are using every day in our home. So what is the disadvantage of this? Can you tell me?
Yes, I can. Even I am here to tell you about that. That we should not use plastic polythenes at all. Not at our home or not at any vegetable store. If as somebody is using, so you should tell him not to use that. That this plastic polythene is very harmful. Even it do not get recycled. It is not recyclable. It do not refuse in our soil. It is very harmful to our nature. It makes our nature very feel very uneasy. It's dirty our nature. It's very harmful, and even it's not get disposed for thousands of years. It is very harmful to our nature, to our earth.
Okay, I took very hard notice that you notice that she's speaking very firmly, and she's the gorgeous girl that I met her on the channel, and today she was speaking. She was motivating me, said we should talk a topic, and we are listening in like a friendly manner. So great that you are listening her. It's a very great opportunity for me, and just I am grabbing the opportunity every day. I will make video for you every day, and we will shoot 100 videos. Like I have commanded the one person that Aryan Daya, that I had started to speak English with him also, that we have done 7 part with him also, and today this is the first part with the Khushi Rati, and that we will complete the 100 part. Listen all the guys, just what I am going to you. So we are going to
It
improve
is
your
gonna
English.
be a great opportunity for me to come on the great channel, your English doctor, for 100 of videos. It will be a great opportunity for me, and
Yeah.
I think for the viewers also that they are watching us.
I'm going to give you the second topic also, that why should we go for the IELTS examination. Do you want to talk about the IELTS examination? What do you understand about the IELTS
Sure,
examination?
it's very good for me too. It's a great opportunity when I'm gonna learn about IELTS examination. What are these from you?
Okay, so did you watch any YouTube channel before?
Yes, I watched your YouTube channel before, that videos with that boy Aryan Dhaya, and yeah, I watched.
Did you try to speak English with anyone else, that yeah, just you talk to me that sir, I want to improve my English, and you are going to give the 100% of you, that you are very you are not going in adversities, you are going to uplift your career. Do you want to uplift your career? Do you want to join IELTS examination? You want to go in Germany? You told me yesterday, sir, I want to go in Germany and I want to do job. So it is okay that you want to go there?
Yes, is it okay for me? I want to go Germany and become an English speaker.
Okay, so this is a very great opportunity for this girl. I'm not talking fakely here, that she is going to go in Germany and she wanted to crack the IELTS examination. So I'm going to help her out. So it is my the duty, it's my responsibility to give the good knowledge to her, and going to give the factual knowledge about the English speaking, because we are starting to speak about the IELTS examination. So this is the IELTS examination video also, that if you want to crack IELTS examination, you can look our video. That in this video you can understand that the video is very energetic. This is the factual information that we are giving to you. This is the English speaking conversation between C and me, and we are going to give you the solidarity of English. So don't admonish this, okay? Just start to speak any the third topic that I want to give this girl. And you went in a temple and you want to speak about the deity, but what happened that you fell ill and your mother came there. She brought you in the hospital. So just create a scenario in that.
I would have dirty. What do you mean by that dirty?
Dirty means like the filthy.
Filthy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not able to crack this word.
Okay, don't just we're not going to talk on this. And what I'm asking you, what I'm telling you, you went in a hospital, and there you were having fever. You were talking to doctor. So how will you describe the sickness?
Okay, so this is a great such topic I'm gonna discuss about with you. So you are the doctor and I'm gonna become the patient.
Yeah, great.
Okay. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Doctor, I am having fever from last 2 days.
Did you take vaccinations before?
Yes, I am fully vaccinated.
If I ask you about that, were you corona positive?
No, I was not. I'm here to have my checkup. That is everything okay with me. I'm not having such coronavirus or something, that because I'm very worried because I am having two nights in fever.
If I ask you about that, are your parents happy that are they not suffering from the fever? Are they not suffering from nausea?
No, they are well and good. They are very healthy. They are not suffering from any kind of disease.
Did they take the medication on the proper time? If they have, you told me, sir, my mother, means my grandmother was falling ill. So did she take medicine on the time?
Yes, we give her medication at the right time. We take care of her. Even she take care of herself because of this pandemic going on. Our family is so much scared about that family. We are worried for our grandmother and for myself also, because I am having fever from last 2 nights and days.
Okay, so I will give you the proper medication. You take it and just go at your home and relax, and don't think about it in a negative way. And guys, we are taking the last part, and I am going to ask you about your schooling. The school is not going to open for 2 years. What do you understand about it? Are you getting happy? Are you getting nervous about it?
I'm getting nervous about that because the excitement, the happiness of the offline schooling is very great. The experience of offline schooling is very great than the online experience. As I said you before, that I love offline schooling, but I'm not enjoying in this online schooling. As it is just for my education, that I can get education. I won't sit ill. I won't sit without education. So I am taking the online schooling.
Who
But
teach you English at your school?
at my school, my Miss Monica teach me English. She's a
Uh,
great teacher.
She is comfortable to speak in English. She is growing your nature of English. She is
Yes.
growing to give you the direction of knowledge. She is giving you the the hair of English. Do you want to become the English monk?
Yes, I want
Do
to
you
become
understand what do I mean English monk?
that the madness of mom, the king of English, like that.
Like so, guys, as we are ending this video. Bye bye.
If you liked it, so please like and share and comment to his channel.
Great. It's a great opportunity. Bye.
Bye.